Hey, fifth grade mathers, welcome to page 119 and 120. Oh my, I lost my shoe. Oh, there it is, okay, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna help you with this. It is a review page, but I wanna make sure that you guys are understanding and remembering the things that we have been learning, okay? So, first things first, I'm gonna be doing 3 of number 1 with you. But Miss Jessica, there's like 12 of those. Yeah, I know. We're going to do 3 together that are of the different types. And then I think you can do the rest by yourself. But listen. You guys need to pay attention to how I am doing these. We've been going over the rules, going over the rules. Ya no voy a decir más. Is it okay that you guys are understanding? No, you need to poner atención, and you need to understand it, right? And if you don't understand it, you need to ask, right? Because I'm looking at some of you guys and you're just being flojos. It's kind of hard, so I don't want to try. I want to see you try. It's very easy to see who tries and who doesn't try. You guys know that, right? A teacher can see very easily who tries and doesn't try. Okay? So no more excuses. I'm not giving you any more excuses. You guys are super smart. And if you pay attention, you follow instructions, you're gonna learn it. Do you understand? Okay, here we go, let's do it. So, we look at number 1. Remember at number 1, we need to see, is there anything we can divide? Can we do 7 divided by 5? No. Can we do 9 divided by 3? Yes. So we're gonna do that, right? We put our 1 here, and our 3 here. Because 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 goes by the big number, 1 goes by the small number. And we multiply. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 5 is 15. Bada bing, bada boom, and there's our answer. Right? Okay, do letter B by yourself. I want to see you do letter B by yourself. No inventing. Okay, should have gone fast. What did you do? You put 8 over 19 times 18 over 1, right? You don't need to divide 8 and 1 because it's already done. 18 divided by 9. Can you divide it? Yes, you can. This is 2. This is 1, right? Because 18 divided by 9 is 2. You put the 2 on the big number, 1 on the small number. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. What do we do here? Divide. 16 divided by 1 is 16. And bada bing, bada boom, that's my answer. Go ahead and do letter M. Do letter M. Okay, we ready? 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13 over 3, right? You have to make this into into an improper fraction. Multiply that by 3 over 5. Can you divide 13 and 5? No. Can you divide 3 and 3? Yes. The answer is 1. So you have 13 times 1 is 13. 1 times 5 is 5, and we divide. 5 and 13, 5 and 13 2 times, that's 10, that's 3, 3/5. 2 and 3/5 is your answer, okay? Now let's do number 2. I'm gonna put up the poster to help us. Okay, here we go. Repetition is the key to learning. Do you guys know that? You gotta repeat to learn something. There's a lot of rules here, but as long as we repeat them, you'll be good to go. Okay, I'm gonna move this down so you can see number 10. Let's go through some of the rules. Look at number 2. It says, put a check mark in the space if the number on the left is divisible by the number at the top. Okay, so here we go. We have 432. The first thing it asks us to do is it divisible by 2? Remember what the rule is. It's even. So, is it divisible by 2? Is this number even, the last number even? Remember your even numbers, 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, is it even? Yes. So is it divisible by 2? Yes. Check Number 3. The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So let's figure it out. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Can you divide 9 by 3, Oscar? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. Okay. Is it divisible by 4? Well, the regla for 4 is the last 2 digits are 0, 0, or the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. My last 2 digits are 32. Can you divide 32 by 4, Frankie? Yes, you can. It's 8, right? So here we go. It's divisible by 4. 5. The ones digit is 5, or the ones digit is 0. That's the last digit. Is the one digit 5 or 0? No. So it is not divisible by 5. Don't put anything there. 6. 6 is on here, but 6 is just like 3, but it has to be even. Is this even? Is it divisible by 3? Yes, so it's also divisible by 6. How about 9? The sum of the digits has to be divisible by 9. Let's do it. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 divided by 9. Is that possible or not possible? Even? Possible, so it's divisible by 9. Oof, this number is divisible by everything, huh? What about 10? Well, if it's divisible by 10, the last digit has to be 0. Is the last digit 0? So, no. It is not divisible by 10. Whew. Okay, I'm going to do a few more with you. I'm going to do 2 more with you. Ready? Because I'm repeating these division steps for you. Here we go. Andres, is this number divisible by 2? Yes, it is, because 0 is even. Okay, it has to be an even number, so check. Safir, is this number divisible by 3? Yes, it is, because it has to have the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Is 3 divided by 3? Yes. Check. Is this divisible by 4? Mario? Yes, because the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, and that's 20. Check. Is it divisible by 5, Gabrielle? Yes, because the rule is that it has to end in 5 or 0, and it ends in 0. Is it divisible by 6? Dueno? Yes, because it's divisible by 3 and it's even. That's the rule for 6. How about 9? 1 plus 2 is 3. Is 3 divided by 9? No. 9 is divided by 3, but 3 is not divided by 9, so it's not divisible by 9. But is it divisible by 10, Danielito? Yes, because it ends in a 0. Check. Okay? Okay, let's do number 900. 900. If I didn't call you today, I'm sorry. Okay. Is it even, Oscar? Yes. Check. 0 is an even number. Is it divisible by 3? Frankie? Yes, because 9 is divided by 3, and 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 9. Is it divisible by 4, Ethan? Yes, because it ends in 2 zeros. Is it divisible by 5, Andres? Yes, because it ends in a 0. Is it divisible by 6? Safir? No. Yes. Yes, it is. So it's divisible by 3 and it's even. Sorry. Yes. Is it divisible by 9? Safir? Yes, because 9 divided by 9 is possible. Is it divisible by 10? Let's see. Abiel? Yes, because it ends in a 0. This thing is divisible by everything. BTW. It's the only one that's divisible by everything. So don't just go through and go check, 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 check. Okay, the rest of them you can do by yourself. If you need this chart, just ask me to send it to you. Look at page 120. Okay, so look at number 3, letter A. I'm going to help you know what to do, but then I want you to processar to do it. Okay, so let's look at what it says in letter A. For the science project in Miss Edwards' class, each of the 36 students, I'm sorry, how many students are in this woman's class? 36. Woo, that's a lot of kids. Okay, 36 students is to collect at least 27 insects for the insect collection. So each student has to collect 27 insects. Guys, 36 students in the class. Each one has to select 27 insects. How many insects is that going to be? What do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Multiply. Okay, so you multiply that, right? If all the students bring in the required amount, plus 9 of the students bring in extra 7 insects each, how much extra is that? 9 students bring 7 extra insects each. 9 times 7 is 63. It's 63 extra insects. How many insects will the students have collected in all? So what do? I already told you it's 63 extra insects. So go back and figure out what to do after that. It's easy. Okay, look at letter B. Mr. Dennis bought 4 new tires. Each tire was 1/5 off the regular price of $140. How much did he pay for 4 tires? This is a good one and important. You gotta know about descuentos. He goes to buy 1 tire for $140. Okay, triste, that's how much you have to spend on a tire, a llanta for your car. Now, he says that it's on a 1/5 discount. So you have to multiply this times 1/5. So you put this over 1, okay? I can divide 140 by 5. Just don't know what it is. 5 and 140 is 2, 10, 4, 0, 8. So it's 28. So we got 28 over here, 1 over here. 28 times 1 is 1, so 28 divided by 1 is 28. Okay, guys, that means your descuento is $28 a tire. Now the rest is up to you. Listen to the word problem and see if you can get it. He has to buy 4 tires. Every tire has a descuento of $28. So how much is every tire? 140 minus 28 gives you the price of every tire with a descuento. And he needs 4 tires. Your turn. Figure it out. Okay? Look at number 4. Mark under the 7 fractions that are in lowest terms. There are 7 fractions that are super reducidas. Okay? That means you cannot divide anything out of them anymore. I'm going to tell you what the first one is. Then you have to find the other 6. The first one is 5 over 14. How do we know? Because you cannot divide anything else out of 5 and 14. What other number is going to come out of there? Besides 1, nothing. Okay? But if you look at this one, 6 over 8, that is not reduced because you can divide this by 2. Now this is your reduced one. Okay, so the first one is 5 over 14 and you have to find the rest. Bye guys, have a great day. Let me know if you need any help.